Hey guys, so I am off to my hair appointment to have my wig installed. I've never had a wig installed professionally, so this is super exciting. Just had to catch a taxi because I missed the train. Literally watched the train drive off. I was so hacked because it's not the first time I followed Google's timing and still missed the train. And with those trains, they run every 30 minutes and I don't have 30 minutes to wait for the next one, so I had to catch a taxi. But yeah, like I haven't even finished my makeup because I wanted to make sure I catch that train. So I'm really hacked. Because the taxi is literally about to go past my house and I'm like, I just wasted like the last 15, 20 minutes walking to the train station, missing the train, boarding a taxi, and all of that. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up my makeup, put some lashes on. Be ready to have this hair switched up into something else. I'll show you guys when I get there. Hey guys, so I'm just sat in the chair to have my hair installed by Camillat.
I look terrible. Let me just do this. Hi guys. We're finally glad to see Ubi again on our chair. We're excited for this look.
Yeah, I'm very excited. I think it's gonna look bomb. I'm just ready to look like a bad bitch. Like
I know, right?
A brand
well, you already
bitch,
do look like a bad. You already look good. You're just enhancing.
Yes, we're adding to it.
Exactly. You're adding.
We're adding to the honey.
Exactly. That's right. That's it. So we're kind of taming down the hair now, just to get all the edges. You actually have really healthy hair.
My hair is
really healthy hair.
thick.
So I'm just taking this all away, so when we glue it down, it doesn't get in the way.
Yeah. What are you using to?
I am using this gummy wax.
Oh, it's a gummy.
Really
yeah.
good. It's brilliant. I'm using the extra strong one.
I didn't even know there was another one.
Yeah, oh, there is. This one is beautiful. Like,
Maybe
look
get
at how
that
your
one.
edges are on swim right now. I love it.
I should get that one.
You should.
Because mine is the red one.
Oh, the red one you have. The red one. Okay. That one isn't bad as well. It's really good. So this is the hair.
This is the hair, guys.
This is the hair.
So
Did you want this
excited.
color? Did you get the girl to do this color?
This
for
is
you?
the color that I wanted.
Okay, perfect. Did you say honey blonde or just like blonde?
I just showed her a picture.
A picture.
She already had one in the
Okay.
same color, so I was like, yeah, that's what I want. And then she did it.
Ah, fab. And she got your head size and everything. Right?
Yeah, she asked for measurements.
Has she done your hair for you before?
No, she
Oh.
hasn't. So I was actually, when I put it on the first time, I was like, okay, this fits really,
nice.
really well.
No, it's brilliant.
Ooh,
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at
Look at that. And we
So
haven't
really-
even
We haven't even
done
much
the
to it.
things.
Woohoo!
Oh my gosh.
You're about to be a
looks
whole
amazing.
brand new babe.
I'm about to be snatched.
I know, right?
I'm about to be so snatched.
I can't wait to see the finished look.
Me
So we're using
too.
Got To Be, right?
We're using Got To Be,
Okay.
yeah.
Perfect.
And guys, my edges are laid.
So
What
late.
What?
Even with
Late.
Got To Be. I actually haven't done Got To Be in a very long time. So doing this is actually impressive. Show them the side. Ooh. Show them the other side. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yes, Ubi, you look fab.
Thanks,
You
babe.
look gorgeous.
You did that.
Yeah. I love it. So we're gonna take some shots.
Bye, guys.